Hey friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Oleg, and this is one and only Mr. Bond. Today we have a very special video. I'm super excited. We're gonna unbox a Grand Seiko Snowflake. No, this is not my Grand Seiko Snowflake, unfortunately. This one was lent to us for this video and a couple of other videos by a website called exquisitetimepieces.com. Check them out, they're a great retailer. They have this watch and of course a lot of other high-end timepieces. If you're looking for one of these watches, look on their website, maybe you'll find something that you like. Now, let's open this box. The package just arrived like half an hour ago. I couldn't wait to open this one up, so I quickly set this up, 2-camera setup. My first time doing unboxing like this. Hopefully this works out and I can do more unboxings like this in the future. Now the box is a little bit damaged here. I'm not an expert on shipping, but I'm gonna say that's not a good sign when you're shipping a $5,000 or $6,000 watch. FedEx, I know you can do better. I'm not sure if they included the original box, original packaging for this watch, or is it just going to be the watch by itself? No idea what to expect. I've only seen the Grand Seiko Snowflake in a retail environment, meaning I've only seen it at the ADs, so I'm not too familiar with this watch, and that just adds to the overall excitement of this unboxing. Alright, so we have the return envelope, I'm gonna guess. A whole bunch of these air pockets. And the watch itself, nothing else in the box. Clearly the watch wasn't shipped in the original box. It just comes in this, I guess like a travel style case from Exquisite Timepieces with their logo stamped to the top. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's do this. Oh my god, look at that. Woo. It's so light. Of course, titanium case makes it very light. Reminds me of my Seiko SARX 055. Of course, I'm gonna do a comparison between the two watches. The baby Grand Seiko versus the real Snowflake. It has a whole bunch of protective plastic on top of the dial. Let me see if I can get that off. Man, just look at that dial. It does look like freshly fallen snow or paper. The blued seconds hand. Actually, the blued seconds hand seems a lot more prominent than the Seiko SARX. It seems more blue. I'll have to test that out with the two watches side by side. And look at that smooth second stick. It just goes around the track. Doesn't seem like it's beating, just seems like it's gliding. Wow. The bracelet actually appears to be very, very similar to the Seiko SARX. Titanium with some metal polished accents. Adds a little bit of visual interest to this watch. And actually the same clasp, just with the Grand Seiko logo here instead of the Seiko logo. No micro adjustments. And a bit of a gap here. Huh, look at that. Wasn't expecting that from a Grand Seiko. Alright. Ooh, I forgot to look at the movement. Look at that. My goodness. Now that's amazing. Drilled lock holes. Grand Seiko logo on the crown. I'm blown away. So excited to do a review of this watch. I'm so excited to do a comparison between this watch and the Seiko SARX. I also might do a comparison between this watch and my Rolex Explorer, just to compare the finishes and things like that. So if you want to see those comparisons, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this Grand Seiko Snowflake. Do you have one in your collection? Is this one of the watches that you're interested in? Leave all those thoughts below. I always enjoy reading your comments. Thanks again to exquisitetimepieces.com for sending this watch our way for the review. And in case you're curious, today on my wrist, I'm wearing my little Casio Beside. I bought this watch a couple of months ago. I did a full review of this watch. That video can be found on the YouTube channel. I will also leave it linked in the description below. Also in the description below, there are a couple of other links. The first link is a secret link. Have a look if you're curious. The second link is a link to bondnativestraps.com if you're looking for a great quality native strap and want to support this YouTube channel at the same time. Buying one of these native straps is a great way to do so. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Sit. Good boy. This is the first time I'm trying this setup.
Oh.
But this is going to be a special unboxing video, that's why. No. Going straight to the source. A little sneaky.
Cut out the middleman.